Hello and welcome to my channel. Myself Sayyam Bardia. I teach you chemistry and biology. In this video we are going to talk about endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and lysosome. So let's dive in with endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum endoplasmic reticulum or ER has various functions. Okay, so it is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. We know near the nucleus something like this. Yes, this is network of channels and various sheets. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum has a similar structure to plasma membrane that is also made up of proteins and lipids. Endoplasmic reticulum has two types, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and second type is rough endoplasmic reticulum, as we discussed in previous video. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have any ribosomes. Ribosomes are protein synthesis machinery, and rough endoplasmic reticulum, as guessed, have ribosomes. Ribosomes are something like this on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They help in synthesis of protein, and transport chain is the endoplasmic reticulum for protein. Okay, this is a rough ER. So, functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum reduces proteins in case of rough endoplasmic reticulum. So I will write here RER and lipids, and the process of making lipids in endoplasmic reticulum is called as membranogenesis. Okay, this process is called as membranogenesis. Endoplasmic reticulum act as a transport channel for inter or intranuclear substances. Okay, intranuclear substances like the mRNA. The messenger RNA comes to the endoplasmic reticulum in this ribosomes and codes for protein. Okay, so these are the main two functions for endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, second are Golgi apparatus. Second are Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus were found by Camillo Golgi. That's why the name Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies or Golgi complex. Golgi bodies have a structure like this. They are also present in cisternae. This one is called as cisternae, and these globules have enzymes which are called lysosomes. So Golgi apparatus act as a transport and packaging of proteins. Golgi apparatus makes lysosomes, which will be discussed in the next part. Okay, so this is only modification, transport and packaging, and they also forms lysosomes. These are the only function of Golgi apparatus that you have now. Now we'll talk about lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes. Lysosomes are small, circular in shape organelles. They are also membrane bound, contains digestive enzymes. Okay, they contain digestive enzyme. These enzymes are capable of destroying the cell. So, help in digestion of consumed substances. Okay, these lysosomes are called as suicidal bags. Now, why are they called suicidal bags? Because whenever cell is in danger, these lysosomes burst and cell is digested itself. So that's why they are called suicidal bags. Whenever cell is in danger, and what kind of danger is this? When a substance which is not permeable by the cell membrane tries to enter and succeeds to enter, these lysosomes burst and cells are digested itself, because the digestive enzyme present in them are taken out, and that's why the cell is digested, and thus lysosomes are called as suicidal bags. This question is very particular. Why lysosomes are called as suicidal bags, or they will be asking this statement, and what is the other name for lysosomes? How lysosomes are made? From Golgi bodies. Okay, from Golgi bodies lysosomes come into place. So this was for today's video. If you have any doubt, kindly comment down. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, then subscribe. And in the next video, we would be learning about mitochondria, plastids and vacuoles. That's all for today's video. Thank you.